Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Dark Bloom in Realm of Light. To start your exciting journey, first find Stella near the Alfea Gate and engage in a friendly conversation. She will then extend a special invitation to a lively party in Gardenia. Once you arrive at the party, locate and speak to Stella again. She will provide your next crucial instruction, directing you to find the elusive Mitzi. This initial step is key to setting the stage for your powerful transformation. After your conversation with Stella, your quest continues at the Alfea Library. Your mission there is to locate a very important item, the Healing Spells, Charms, and Potions book. This ancient text holds vital knowledge. Once you successfully find it, Bloom will take possession of this essential book. Since this spell book is absolutely vital for the upcoming challenge, finding Bloom after she has acquired it is your immediate next objective in this magical adventure. Now, prepare yourself for a significant and challenging confrontation. You must head to the mysterious mountain situated near the cemetery, where you will inevitably encounter Mitzi and her companions. It is absolutely crucial to defeat all of Mitzi's friends before you focus your efforts on engaging her directly. Once her allies are down, you need to carefully reduce Mitzi's health to less than 500 points, setting the precise stage for the final critical action you must perform. For the ultimate and final step in achieving your transformation, once Mitzi's health is confirmed to be below 500, you must use Bloom's unique therapeutic spell on her. This specific healing spell is an absolutely essential component for the entire process. If you do not cast this vital spell at the correct moment, you will unfortunately not achieve the coveted Dark Bloom transformation. Successfully performing this precise final action will finally unlock your powerful new form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.